Alright everyone, so we're back at it with another clip. Check this out everyone. I just found a whole beehive. I just found a abandoned beehive. Oh my goodness. All over. I'm out in the field and I flipped this small couch. And inside it, I find a bunch of old, it looks like someone might have been here already and ripped it out, or maybe an animal might have chewed it out. Oh my goodness, look at this. I can tell that there was a lot more in here. I think maybe an animal got to it, maybe someone else flipped it, or maybe the animal got in somehow. Sure. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a chunk. Hopefully I don't get bit by a rattlesnake. But I just want to show you guys how amazing this looks. I want to get this big piece off. I know it's dried up, but I would like to keep it. Maybe put it on my wall or something. I know you guys might see beehives a lot. I get it, but I don't personally, and I'm just super happy that I finally get the opportunity to see one. But hey, got first piece right here. Still sticky. Crazy. Now I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't be taking parts of this if it wasn't already gone. Here's a piece. So I'm gonna put this back. Hopefully they come back sometime and build another one. It's pretty cool. They're dry, but I don't mind, because why would I need honey from the wild anyways? I wouldn't want to take it, let alone bother them. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this just for memories. Gonna see what else is in here. Ow. Okay, you guys, I found a snake, and I think that it's trapped. It's a California king snake. Let me go ahead and zoom in. That is definitely a banded king snake, everybody. And I hope he's not trapped, but I think he just might be. This tube is at least 10 feet deep, and the king snake's way at the bottom. And I have a feeling that he's not going to make it out anytime soon. He's moving around. Yeah, he's moving around now. He's left. I think there's another tunnel under there. So I think he's all right. The thing about these snakes is that they can squirm through anything. He might end up in another tunnel and come up underground from another area. And he also looks really healthy, so I think that he's eating really good down there. But there's no way I can lift up this tube, unfortunately. We came across this young gopher snake. He's perfectly camouflaged, just hoping we don't see him. Look at how good he camouflages. I'm just walking. He hasn't moved since I got here. Gopher snake, everybody. I hope you guys are seeing this. But the camouflage is just amazing. Pretty young. He's just hoping we don't see him. These guys are growing up to about, I think, 8 feet, maybe a little less, give or take. These guys grow big, very powerful constrictors. I don't even want to touch this guy really right now because we are in a regional park. Therefore, it's not technically legal to be touching these creatures, and I have to respect that. But there he goes. It looks like he's moving on. There he goes. The sun's going down, it's getting a little cold, and as I walk through, I start to lose a little hope. But faith is always with me, and right when I give up, I'm always reminded by the most beautiful things, like the gopher snake I just found. That's why you guys just never give up on what you guys do. We're hiking through another trail the next day, and oddly, I found another beehive. But this beehive isn't in a couch. This one's in a log. This log to be exact. I'm gonna see if I can give you guys a better look at this amazing beehive that these bees created. I hope my camera is getting that, but I'm about 10 feet away and I have a tripod that's extended so I don't get stung. But it looks like they're pretty calm. They're everywhere. Hope you guys like this clip. Until next time, everyone.